Hello everyone, my name is Amos Nemus, and people like when I do stuff for fun, you know, when I just have this random idea running through my mind. This game is called Lowland Keeper. It's on itch.io, link in the description, and I enjoyed that game so much I was like, I need to break the game. I need to figure out how this works. So I gave myself a bunch of life, give myself unlimited mana, give myself unlimited money, and unlimited poison power because the poison character is my favorite. Does it make the game better? No, it completely breaks it. The game is about balance and about thinking ahead and how you use your mana, and that just breaks it. But you know, sometimes you just want to do a bunch of damage, and that's what this script does. So if you play the game normally, it's more challenging than that, for sure. I just removed all the challenge from the game, and the game is good because of how challenging it is. So why did I do that? Why did I waste time to reverse engineering the game, to hack myself multiple HP and a bunch of damage? Because I can. Yeah, first of all, that's a fact of life, because I can. Also, I don't know if you noticed, but I am solo leveling that thing. I'm not adding new character. Victory, you can win the game! Character you have recruited are not accessible. Continue game. What? No, still no new character. That's the thing, I'm limited to only the mage. That's part of the code I executed. I cannot have more character than the mage, because I don't need more character than that. It'd be nice though if I would gain HP every time they take poison damage. But yeah, that's pretty much what unlimited power feels like. Also, why aren't they dying? Why am I keep going even though they are dead? Oh, that's a bug. Okay, I'm gonna stop that because yeah, restart, resume, restart game. Yeah, main menu, new game. Okay, so we have here our little mage. That's our overpowered character. Let's pick our mage. Yep, start. So we start with 0 gold, and here are our stuff. So we need to attack this guy because he has a shield. So we are forced to go with the guy that has the shield first. Then we can attack this guy. We need to end our turn, and that's it. That wasn't that challenging. Then you can buy upgrade. But what I'm gonna do is just go into console, run my script, click here to run it, and it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Why? Because I'm not in the library. Sorry, it only works if I'm in the library. Inspect, run my script, boom, unlimited power, baby, unlimited money, unlimited power. Yes. And then we can skip the team, and from now on we can like solo level to unlimited power. Too many mushrooms, that's for sure. So that's a side effect of how I handled this version of the script. I have another version of the script, but it has its own issue, if you will. So let's just keep leveling up our character like this. And we will add this guy to our team, and that's it, yeah. So yeah, now it heals that character when we do damage. So it's just funny. It's a different way to be overpowered, I guess. So let's keep going. It gets annoying pretty fast. Like normally you're supposed to use this guy to steal the mana from your enemy, and it's like one of the best gimmick because this guy doesn't do any damage by default. So it's a great strategy game that I just completely broke. We aren't as broken as we were before. Like before that we were even more broken, but the poison mushroom card, I don't really like them. That's why I removed them in the last version of my script. So if I just take the last version of the script inspect, console, click here, paste that, enter. It doesn't work because I'm not in the library yet. So we need to go into the library, inspect, try that again. Boom, it worked. We now have unlimited power. I need this guy to collect this. Continue, let's go. I don't know what's the point of like flipping them like this. Like, yeah, I don't know what that does. Skip. I think the first one is your main character, and if he dies, like you die, so it's a good idea to probably flip it, but it's not well explained, I think, in the tutorial. Anyway, I didn't read the small text, so maybe it is. I don't know. And by the way, you can run the first script again. There is no limit to how many times you can make yourself more powerful. So yeah, now it worked. So if we attack, we should start to do more damage right now. So, and the more you play, the more powerful you become, I think. Yeah, to the point where it's just not fun to play. And these damn mushroom cards, at some point you just have too many of them and you can't even play the game. So yeah, let's pick that, and like this. So yeah, you can do that. That's something you can do with JavaScript game. You can just reverse engineer them and hack them in some way to get more OP. And what's the point at this point? Like, what am I even doing with this game? But it's fun, and I wanted to share that video because it is funny. You have like all that HP, all that power. Why can't I attack? Because of this guy. I need to attack this guy first. Yeah, this guy's getting OP, so let's use him to attack this guy. Yeah, put that poison on this guy, and then to avoid having him heal, because that wastes a lot of time, let's just use him. And boom, so we heal, we do poison, and then we attack, and that activate the poison. So it's a good strategy, but yeah, now a bit broken, a little bit broken. Yeah, at this point I shown what I wanted to show in this video, and at the end you have like all these mushrooms that you need to collect, but that's it. How did I reverse engineer that? If that interests you, like, it ain't that interesting, I'm gonna be honest. You just inspect the element and you start looking for local storage variable that could have been stored locally, common variable name. You start to think of how you would have done it, basically how you would have called the variable for the gold, for the game data, and you inspect and you test stuff, and at some point you figure stuff out. Yeah. In that case, like, it was a JSON file in the local storage, so just look at the local storage, find that JSON, and start digging from there. Yeah, and that's how you end up with games that aren't fun anymore, even though it was very fun before I used the script on it. But I'm not really doing gaming on this channel anymore. I don't know if people would be interested in more gaming on the channel, but I also have like my social media site, kcore.online, that I'm working on these days. So there's that. It takes a lot of time out of me, so I can't really work on other project pretty much because I spend so many time working on Kcore Online. So you will find me there probably. If you leave a post, I will answer. So that's the better way, I think, right now to contact me, because I spend so many time on that project. And I will probably merge at some point the Demon Lord Ascension project with the Kcore Online project at some point, eventually. I don't know. So that's it for this video, folks. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crazy, weird content related to being a genius programmer and all that. By the way, that's sarcasm. I don't consider myself specifically talented when it comes to programming. I just like the results. Like, I like the power it gives me. Like this guy, you can see like the little skills info. This guy has so many skills. It doesn't even display the info bar anymore. He has too many skills to show, and the game just gave up. Also, I did not increase like the maximum amount of mana that can be displayed, but technically there is infinite right here. I never ran out of mana, and I just keep using that guy all over again without ever running out of mana. And you have this guy who will just steal everything. So yeah, pretty OP, ain't it? So yeah, goodbye.